Hey guys, it's Em. I'm with my brother today.
Hello.
We're doing something crazy exciting. We are going on a private jet today to Abu Dhabi, the world's most luxurious private jet. This is definitely a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Pretty crazy that we're doing this. We're going to take you along with us. How are you feeling?
It's literally going to be mental. I can't even believe it. I've only ever flown economy on like everywhere I've been, so I'm just like blown away by this.
Let's do it.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night, then leave when it's like nothing more, it's alright with you. No ties, no ties.
So here it is, the plane, and we are about to get on this flight. There he is getting his picture. Let's go up.
I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promise.
What have we got in here? Show me the bedroom. Oh, look at that.
How big the bed is. It's an actual bed, it's an actual.
I don't think the lens does it justice, but this is like
But this is an actual little bed.
so big.
Bag on it and a little pajamas to get into. It's actually a really comfy bed as well. Perhaps it's a sensible, but no, this is a legit bed. You can definitely put two ants in here. Where are we?
Have you got a TV? Where's the TV?
Oh, and you press these. Wait.
Yeah, go on, show me. Oh, look at that.
This is the view from my garden.
Oh,
Look at that. And then I've got a TV.
oh, look at that.
Here's the bathroom. It's literally, this is the toilet.
That is
It's
huge.
like a throne.
Oh my
It's
god.
insane. I'm mainly impressed by all the toiletries.
Yeah,
Molten brown, which Queen apparently uses. Cartier,
look at that.
Bulgari, Guerlain, lots of hand toiletries, Elemis Travel, obsessed. So good, all the little Elemis minis. Hope I can take these.
Show me through to the main area, please.
Adam's going to demonstrate this chair for us.
So, on my right side, we've got the reclining screen thing.
Press it. Go back. Legs up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it like fully reclines. It's so cool. All have TVs like this, guys, and you can basically watch anything you want on there. Let's go down here. So obviously that's like the royal bit, and then this is still insane. It's still better than business class. Still the exact same seats. You obviously just don't have as much room. They're still pretty awesome, and they still have TVs. This one, here's one I made earlier. This is a bed, and they even give you your own. Well done, Em. Pajamas! How cute are these? Hashtag swipe up for the link. I'm joking. Let me take my shoes off, and I could put my slippers on for this and test out this bed. Obviously, I would use the royal bed because I mean it's an actual bed. Oh, little rose for me, Royal Jet Entertainment, and the bed. Hi guys.
This is honestly no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, oh, oh,
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers to the healthy drink.
And we're just waiting for some lunch.
the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties.
Oh, you copying me? You've got to go for soup first. I feel like it's a thing. I've never had soup on a plane before, actually.
So free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time.
Thank you so much. So we just had our appetizer. So the trolley that you just saw was an appetizer with all of those things on, and we can have. So we had bread, and then there were like loads of amazing salads, and I had some carrot soup, and then amazing Arabic appetizers, the most insane like cheese pastry. You even need to go to Abu Dhabi where you can just enjoy all Yeah.
And that was like bigger than my normal lunch, so I'm pretty full, but it was...
I paced myself.
I've never had anything like it.
Good fresh salad, and now we're just waiting for our actual lunch, so I can't wait to see what this is. Also guys, if you wonder why there's a film crew, say hi! Hi! I will leave, I'll see if I can leave a link below when the thing that I can't tell you that it is until this goes live is going live. That's what we're filming, but I'll leave a link below so you guys can watch the full thing. But this is a little behind the scenes, and they're gonna eat too, don't worry, it's not just us eating.
Options today, so we have succulent chicken breast,
Amazing.
with basil leaves. We have lamb rack marinated in veal jus, and wild Atlantic cold salmon, together with some lemon slices. Yes, and capers. And for the side dishes, we have oven roasted potatoes, basmati rice, and selection of roasted vegetables.
Amazing.
Would you like to start with?
I think I'm going to start with the chicken.
Chicken breast.
With some rice and some vegetables, if that's okay. Okay guys, so for the main affair, for the lunch, I've gone for chicken with lamb, with asparagus, some like grilled vegetables and some rice. But the chicken has ricotta in it. Ants has gone for, tell them what you've gone for.
The salmon, really good.
It's all super fresh food, so there's so much choice. You can also have a bit of everything if you like, so I actually went with the chicken and a little bit of the lamb as well. So delicious, and actually such a change to have healthy food on a plane, because I'm just not really used to it. I'm used to having all of my crisps. I did have a packet before I got on the plane, and my biscuits and my snacks and my sweets, and it's really nice that you can have such healthy, fresh options as well.
Selection of cakes, different flavors of ice cream, bread and butter pudding with anglaise sauce, and also we have fresh cherries, fresh strawberries with some fresh cream if you wish, and of course a selection of whole fruits and some cookies over there as well.
It smells so good, thank you so much. And then could I please get some strawberries and cherries? And dragon fruit actually, right? Of custard would be incredible, please.
On the top?
Yeah, the top is perfect.
Would you like us to plate you in with cherries and
yes,
strawberries?
please. Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Can I try the mango?
Oh, wow. Interesting choice. I'm so boring. I would always go for carrot cake, but yeah, go for something exotic. Look at that. If you manage to eat this whole portion, I'm going to be seriously impressed. So this isn't afternoon tea, there's afternoon tea as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the fruit.
I'm going to be rolling off this plane. Right guys, we're on to dessert. I've gone for bread and butter pudding and some fruit. They have the most insane cake selection ever. As went for the mango one, that he is taking his pics. And this is insane. So this is the dessert of the lunch. We then have afternoon tea after. Honestly, I'm going to be so full, and you know what? I'm here for it. I love bread and butter pudding. I feel like it's a very underrated dessert, and obviously I got that with some custard. Mike, if you're watching, you'll be very jealous of the custard. But yeah, fresh fruit, everything's so fresh, and being very spoiled. This is kind of how it feels to be a royal, I guess, being spoiled on the plane with the finest quality food. Enjoy that. Bon appetit.
With tea bags.
Amazing.
We have chamomile tea, we have silver moon tea, English breakfast tea, Moroccan mint tea, which is also a mix with green tea, French Earl Grey, and jasmine green tea.
I might actually go for the Moroccan mint for a change. Yeah, thank you so much.
Susie said that.
I'll come prepare that.
Thank you. Wow, you weren't joking when you said afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea it is.
Wow, it smells so good.
And I offer you like our afternoon tea. We have sweet potato and quinoa patties.
Wow.
Selection of fruits. We have steak and cheese sandwich. We have fish cakes. We have some scones with clotted cream and strawberries. We have chocolate fondant. We have flapjacks, chocolate brownie. We have selection of canapes and selection of sandwiches.
Amazing. Do you want to choose first? What do you fancy? I think you should definitely get a brownie or a flapjack or a scone, because you are, you know, having afternoon tea.
Yeah, I'll go for a
The question is it scone or is it scone? Guys, comment below, scone or scone. I think it's a Yorkshire thing to say. Scone. Gosh, that is a seriously big donut. They are deceptive. Oh, it's a chocolate fondant, it's not a donut. They look like donuts. Wow. It's like from that advert. This is not just a chocolate fondant, this is an M&S chocolate fondant. Wow. Look at that. Okay, I take it back. You went for a chocolate fondant, you went hard. Yeah. Gosh, now what am I gonna get? I don't know. Everything looks insane. Jam and clotted cream, of course.
I feel like I'm so spoiled, guys. I'm not actually this spoiled. But
We just got to test this out.
Yeah.
How can we test it out if we're not going to try everything? It's afternoon tea time. This is a little trolley behind me going away. I went for some canapes, and this is a cucumber cream cheese sandwich. That's went for chocolate fondant. You obviously got scones and clotted cream, some fruit. I know we look like pigs, like we've been eating the whole flight, but we have been doing things in between as well.
we are little pigs. I'm just going to tag section now.
I mean, yeah, you've got to eat. Girls got to eat. It's great. You've got to trial every day.
Right guys, so before we land, we're just going to do a quick Q&A about the actual jet, because there's been so many questions on Instagram about like, what type of jet is it?
He's been putting Instagram stories up.
Yeah, all my friends have been asking like, how much is the jet worth? What brand is it? Like, how many people can it carry? So we're just going to go through all that kind of stuff. So, how much is the jet worth?
Apparently it's worth between $80 to $100 million. So,
Yeah.
you know, cheap. Apparently cost up to, I think they said 50k for fuel to
Yeah.
fuel the plane, which is crazy.
Yeah. We think, how many people can it fit on? Maybe like 18, 19?
18 I think, 19,
Yeah.
some of them fit 14 on.
Yeah.
And it's the Boeing, what's the actual plane called?
So it's called the Boeing Business Jet, and it is essentially a Boeing 737, but it's been completely kitted out for super high-end customers.
Rumour has it, Bill Gates has one.
Yeah, Bill Gates owns one. So you've got to kind of be a billionaire. We think you've got to
They
have
say you have to be a billionaire.
you have to
own
have
one.
around 1.5 billion in the bank to own one.
I could be wrong, but someone also told me that it's roughly £50,000 per person to even take one of these flights. Seriously, that's not
Yeah, so the flight we're on today is, we've estimated it's going to cost between $90,000 and $120,000.
See, I think you're wrong, because someone
way.
told me it's 400k.
Yeah, we're not sure, but it's over 100k, which is crazy.
That's a lot of handbags, or a nice house in Yorkshire.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's about it. Any other questions?
Any other questions, leave them below,
Yeah,
guys.
just leave them in the comments and we'll try and answer
We're
them.
going to land now, so we'll see you in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, see you later.
Just arrived in the Royal Jet Lounge, having some of these dates covered in chocolate. How good are they?
Sick.
Enjoy that. So good. Just got off the plane. The flight attendants were amazing. Had a chat to them at the end. Love them. How nice were they?
Yeah, super nice.
Eating. Thank you so much. I'll have some tea there. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we found Yas Beach. Yas Queen. Where are you? Got a coconut. I was like, Ads, you're not coming all the way to Abu Dhabi and not having a coconut. Cheers. Fresh coconut. Is it your first ever fresh one? A fresh young baby coconut. Oh my god, it's so good. Pure hydration. That's it guys for the vlog. We spent the morning at the beach, which is amazing. We're now heading back home. Time to nap on the flight and get some work done. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was unreal. So good.
So I will speak to you guys soon. Come say hi on Instagram and Twitter. Obviously the jet was the most insane experience of my life, and you'll be able to see it on the documentary soon, which I'll link below. Bye guys, very grateful.